DEZ95, huh? Nice plate. Red light, floored it. LM70TVY. And he definitely floored it to go through. That's two. Is Des on the phone or not? Des is on the phone. What's that? Or something? No, I'm not sure. It's not WhatsApp. It's news. Scrolling through the news, football. Okay everybody, I thought I'd start a little Q&A session where I answer some of the comments from the videos. A new Dutch bike here, a Gazelle, and behind me is the Hyde Park tram line where I've caught so many phone drivers. So the first question is from Ryan Nichols. And he says he loves this particular video where I caught somebody just showing me their phone. And he was wondering basically how this was enough evidence, and in so many other videos, just seeing the phone screen lit up wasn't enough. So that confusion is happening because right now I'm releasing videos from around the period of just before March, 25th of March 2002 and after. So the ones after, that's when the mobile phone law change happened. So the ones after, it's really easy to get a prosecution. You just have to show a driver holding the phone and the screen lit up, phone in use in some way. But before 25th of March, it's much harder because there you have to show basically that they're doing something like texting or talking and some kind of interactive communication. All right. Okay, so the next one is from Dan. And Dan says my videos used to wind him up, particularly me cycling Mikey, but he now won't touch his phone at all when he's in traffic. So it sort of works. So in response to that, I'm like, I really love Dan's comment. Thank you for stopping using your phone. That's really all I want. I don't want to catch people. I don't want to put them through the pain of a prosecution. Unfortunately, for many people, that's the only way that they can be made to change their behavior. But not Dan. Dan is one of the relatively unusual ones who can change based on learning from others. That's quite uncommon. So I respect you hugely, Dan. Thank you. Okay, so Cash asks whether if I can go back to Gandalf Corner sometimes, please, and that's far more entertaining to him. Yeah, it's true. It's really entertaining when you see the stress caused by these roadside drivers and being stopped from what they want to do and the shortcut they want to take. One of the reasons I haven't been there in ages is it's really quiet now, so almost nobody is going on the wrong side. I think the last time I was there was during the tube strike, and it's hardly ever been busy there as far as I know. Maybe I'm wrong, in which case I will go back. Then there's also Avenue Road, which is north of Regent's Park, northwest slightly. I will try and go back there to get some more wrong-siders for you, Cash. Okay. Okay, so Thomas asks, why are all my videos from 2 years ago? And the answer there is basically I don't release the videos until after I'm sure the justice process has completed. So yeah, that takes some time. For me, it's more interesting and more important for the punishment to go through properly for whichever driver I caught. And this YouTube thing, it's an afterthought, an after effect of something I've been doing for a long time. I was YouTubing for maybe 13 years, roughly. A few years on a different channel to this current one. So my earliest video on this current channel is about 2008, and I started in 2006. And I only started getting lots of subscribers after the doctor's video in 2019. Okay. Okay, this one isn't so much a question, but somebody I saw tweeting on Twitter called Cookie Monster. And she tweeted that a miserable see you next Tuesday cyclist recorded me sat in traffic on my phone, not moving, I'd like to add, and actually sent the footage in, and I sincerely hope with everything in me he gets run over. The miserable see you next Tuesday. I'm sure you can work out what see you next Tuesday stands for. I thought this was very entertaining. So I don't think it was me because I looked at her profile picture and I don't recognize her, but maybe it was, I don't know. Then there's a whole bunch of answers. Kim Trilly, I know someone this happened to, and she got a fine and points on her license. Broken heart. Clem says, lol, my greatest fear when I'm sat in traffic, I'm always scanning for cycling Mickey twats. My name, cycling Mikey, gotta be him. And Blue Laces says that cycling Mikey Don is why I'll never drive anywhere near Central. And Andrew Delhouse says, happened to me too. Proper miserable see you next Tuesdays. I don't really mind all this hatred, but I do want them just to stop. And I don't even hate the people. I have no problem with them at all, just with the phone driving behavior. Dion says, this happened to me in 2019. The next thing you know, I had 6 points. I was at a 10 traffic lights in the longest queue, not moving. He had a camera in his helmet and started screaming, yeah, I got you, yeah. Me with an itch behind it. Well, I'm pretty sure that wasn't me. And then from a much earlier tweet, Cookie Monster pipes up, paid a speeding fine yesterday, only to get another one in the post today. And FFS KMT, so she's not very happy. If she's got 2 speeding fines, those are 3 points each. And now the mobile phone penalty, she's on line for disqualification. Anyway, I'll stick all these tweets up in the video stream so you can have a look at them. It really exploded, her tweet. There were like hundreds and hundreds of quote tweets of what she did, and she eventually made her account private. Yeah, and as I say, I don't hate these people. You know, they're just human beings. We all have faults. I just want for them to change their bad driving behaviors. Okay, that's it for this Q&A. I'll try and collect some more questions for the next one. You're welcome to answer and to ask questions in videos, and I'll try and answer them like this. Okay, ciao.